Hi, my name is Joseph Bassett and I am a tax associate here at WCG. We are a business consultation and tax preparation firm here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Most of the material that we're going to talk about in these videos comes from our book, which is available on Amazon, Kindle, and we also have a PDF and a very accurate name for it as we focus on LLCs and S corporations. Now, today we're going to be talking about processing owner payroll, which is one of our business advisory services. Now, in the past, if you had no employees, we would typically process your payroll on a quarterly or annual basis. This produced two issues. One, you would have big and sometimes unexpected cash needs. And two, it made you rely on your shareholder distributions for your living expenses. On our old school payroll cadence, it allowed you to defer paying taxes until the end of the quarter, which at first seems like a good thing until December rolls around and you get an email from your CPA saying you owe $50,000 in taxes. Suddenly, the holidays don't seem as festive. The other issue with processing payroll on a quarterly basis is it makes you rely on distributions for most of your living expenses. Now, typically, employees will rely on wages for their living expenses. Just as if you got a W-2 job at Google, Google is not going to give you a distribution for your monthly rent. Instead, you're going to be using your wages. Now, whether we choose a monthly cadence, a quarterly cadence, or an annual cadence, your salary is not going to change. It just depends how we chop it up for your operations. But the monthly payroll cadence does align better with your living expenses. So, the benefits of monthly payroll are that it streamlines your cash flow. Instead of needing a large chunk some points during the year, it's easier to plan out for $5,000 a month. It also allows you to ease into your tax liability. And it aligns, like I mentioned before, it aligns your living expenses with your salary, which the IRS likes to see. Distributions are meant to be a return on your investment in the S corporation. And when they're tied to your personal expenses, they look more like wages for services performed, which the IRS doesn't like to see. Now, just because we're putting you on a monthly payroll cadence doesn't mean we're just going to set your salary and forget about it. We will still reach out to you in July and August for your updated net business income projections, any major changes, such as if you purchase a company car, to make sure that we are still headed for a tax neutrality in April. And in November, we'll schedule a tune-up to make sure that nothing else has changed before the year ends. So, how do we do it? In order to transition from quarterly payroll to monthly payroll, there's a few things we have to do. First, we have to determine the cutover point. Right now, for our clients, as of this video, we're cutting over starting on June 1st. Now, this might make it seem like your monthly payroll cash needs are higher than your previously quarter cash needs, but that's because we lost a few months in the transition from not running payroll in April or May. Now, you're also going to be receiving a revised cash needs email from us. This cash needs email is going to have 3 line items. It's going to have a line item for your monthly salary, which we will determine by taking your wages paid to date, less your salary, and then dividing it over your remaining pay periods. The next line is going to be your total cash needs. This is going to include your monthly salary, your payroll taxes, and the net check. The net check is what's great about the monthly payroll cadence because it allows you to pull money out of your business other than distributions. Now, you have 3 options to receive the net check. You can receive it direct deposit. You can transfer the funds from your business account to your personal account. You can write yourself a check from your business account to your personal account. Or you can do nothing, which we don't typically advise, but there is a way to fix when we prepare the return. Now, if you have a staff or if you're thinking about adding employees, we can actually just worm your payroll in with your other employees. This now simplifies your world because you have one less payroll event to worry about. So, of course, like most things in life, there are a few issues with monthly payroll, but it's nothing that we can't fix. If you have lumpy cash flow or seasonal income, you might not have taxes for payroll every month, which is okay. If you're in real estate or construction, you might have a period where you have no income at all. So how we handle this is with minimum payroll processing, which typically requires around $125 in cash needs. We can run minimum payrolls all the way through August, and then we can reassess your business income to see if we need to increase your salary or withholdings for that tax neutrality. And again, this is also a great time to schedule a periodic business review to go over any other major changes in your business or your personal taxes. Well, we can run minimums for the entire year. It can make for a stressful December because you will require a large amount of cash, and we could run into an issue with running out of room for your 401k contributions. So, in summary, monthly payroll allows you to streamline your cash flow and better align your salary with your living expenses, which the IRS likes to see. And anytime we can simplify your operations and make the IRS happy at the same time is a big win. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can call us at the number there, 719-387-9800, or you can shoot us an email, swing by at our office located in Colorado Springs, and also visit our website. We post informational blog posts somewhat frequently, depending on the time of the year, and there's also a great knowledge base for you to answer any questions that you might have relating to tax.
Thank you for watching our video. A PDF of the slide deck is available with the link below. Also, please contact us at 719-387-9800 or email us at support@wcginc.com. Most of our video content comes from our book, blog posts, and website, and is available at wcginc.com. Have a wonderful day.